What's going on, everybody? My name is Tay Nelson. I run a six-figure marketing agency, and we specialize in lead generation for auto dealerships. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys how we close over 90% of our appointments. We actually close 100% of our appointments, but I think for legal reasons, I can't say 100%. I'm just going to say over 90%. And I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to implement the same strategies here. So again, I run a six-figure agency, and I'm going to explain to you guys how we close over 90% of our appointments. If you've been running an agency for a while, you understand that just landing appointments isn't enough. Just because your client is interested in hearing what you have to offer doesn't mean that they're willing to sign, right? So I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how we close over 90% of our clients and how we close them in just 2 steps. Okay, so most of the time when you meet up with a client, they're interested in your services, and basically, you're not the only person on the block. They've been talking to the other agency. They've had an agency in the past. Their cousins or friends are referring them to other agencies. So you're really competing with everyone else, right? So the way to sign clients is you have to stand out. When you show up to this meeting, you have to make the client realize that, if you walk out of this meeting without them doing a deal with you, they're never going to get you back on the phone, right? You got to make them feel that way. And the way you do that and the way you accomplish this is by offering a unique value proposition. Now, this is something that basically entices your clients on why they should do business with you right now. So in our agency, our unique value proposition is something that I haven't seen any other agency do or talk about. And this is what it is. Our unique value proposition is lead management. And basically, this is what I call lead management, is the handling of the leads, right? So again, you could be generating leads for your clients, hundreds of thousands of leads, and someone has to call those leads, right? And if your client is calling those leads and they're not having a high success rate, they're going to blame you, right? And also, you're adding more stress to their plate. So what we do in our agency is we do 2 things. We don't send our clients leads. If you ever talk to a client and you mentioned leads, their eyes roll, right? If that's ever happened to you, I'm going to tell you why. It's because every client has gone through that phase where the marketing agency has generated them hundreds of leads. But number one, the clients don't know what to do with the leads. They don't know how to follow up with the leads. They don't follow up at all. If I had to rank clients follow up 1 out of 10, I would say every time it's a 1 out of 10. So what we do in our agency is we handle that for them, right? So basically, my elevator pitch or my unique value proposition is our agency is 100% different than other agencies. Other agencies are going to charge you up front and they're going to send you leads. We don't charge our clients up front. We charge them on the back end. If you don't know, there's more money made on the back end. So we don't take any upfront retainers. We instead attach our agency directly to our client's success by establishing our agency as a bridge and charging our client for every lead that converts. So what we do is, instead of sending our clients leads, we send them pre-qualified appointments, right? It makes for an easier pitch. It also shows the client that, we're different than other agencies. We're not just going to send you leads. We're going to pre-qualify all these leads and we're going to fill up your appointment sheets. So again, not only are we, removing a step from the client without having to call these hundreds of leads, we're handling the lead management for them. We're also filling up their appointment sheets and we're generating revenue without adding anything additional to their plate. So our client doesn't have to hire another receptionist to call the leads. They don't have to dish this work off to a sales manager. We're not adding anything to their plate. The only thing we're adding to their plate is appointments and more customers, which is what clients want. They don't want any of the other stuff, right? You could set up your client a funnel and it might produce, but they don't want to manage it. They're already busy. So even though you could be generating your client revenue, you're also adding stress to their plate. And if they have to choose, they're going to cut you off. I've seen it happen. It hasn't happened to me because, I noticed these problems with other agencies before it ever, contaminated my agency. So I was able to get ahead of this problem. I have never lost a client. This is how we close over 90% of our clients using this simple, unique value proposition. Again, we don't send our clients leads. We send them pre-qualified appointments and we handle the lead management for them. So basically, they're getting all the benefits, the increased appointments, the brand awareness, and more revenue without, them actually having to do anything. So here's another tip for you guys. I get a lot of messages from students saying, clients only want to use $500 in their budget. The client doesn't have a big budget. So here, what we do in our agency is we build budgets for our clients. If our client only wants to start with $500, what we'll do is we'll take that money, since we're not charging them up front and we're only charging on the back end. What we'll do is we'll take that money, we'll take $500, we'll turn it into $5,000, right? And then we'll take our cut on the back end, and then we'll use that new budget to move forward. So what we'll do is we'll take that money and we'll reintroduce it into the budget. So your clients may not have the budget, when you first sign them, but as long as they agree to you guys, generating a budget and redistributing that budget back into the marketing to help you build a proper marketing system, something that's automated for your clients, then everything should be okay. It's not a big deal if your client only has $500. You take that $500, you quadruple it, you flip it, you double it, you triple it, you redistribute that budget back into your marketing, and within 2 or 3 months, your client will have a proper marketing budget, and then you can talk about retainers and money on the back end. So the reason why we work on commission and charge our clients on the back end is because retainers are cool. I'm not saying don't sign retainers, but if you don't have any leverage, retainers are not cool, because you're giving up leverage. So retainers are good when you have leverage, but if you're a beginning agency owner and you don't have a lot of proof or anything, or case studies or testimonials, you don't have any leverage. So if you opt in to settle for a retainer, you're gonna be settling for a lower amount. So instead, just attach your agency directly to your client's success. This is how we earn over 6 figures per client, by attaching our agency directly to our client's success, by establishing our agency as a bridge and working on a commission result-based structure. This eliminates any price, value, and trust objections. And again, we sign over 90% of our clients with our unique value proposition. So this is how we establish our meetings. We call our clients. I have this script. I land clients in just 2 questions. And basically, it's an enticing offer where the client is interested in hearing. And then we close them using the unique value proposition. We give our clients a reason to work with us, right? Because again, if you can't stand out from any other agency, why would your client work with you? If you're offering the same services as every other agency, then, to your client, they're just a business owner. They're not a marketing expert. They can't tell the difference between 2 different agencies. So what they're going to do is they're going to compare your price to the other agency's price. And you don't want to play a game of prices, right? So again, what we do is we attach our agency to the back end of our client's success. There's always more money made on the back end, which is why offers work so well. You can offer something 80% off to a customer and you'll make that money back on the back end. There's way more money made on the back end. That goes with any industry. So be smart about the way you structure your business. And if you guys want more free training, I'll drop a link. I'll show you guys exactly how I made 6 figures in 60 days with just one local client as a complete beginner without providing any case studies or testimonials. And we land all our clients in just 2 questions and close over 90% of our clients. If you don't believe me, then watch the free training. I'll prove it all to you guys. I'll demonstrate every single thing. Tay Nelson signing out.